Hello guys, Namaste. A very warm welcome to our 30 days of Feel Good Yoga, a 30-day yoga journey. We are really honored and excited to have you join us. Yoga has the power to transform the body and the mind. It can truly help us to be the best version of ourselves. Not just the way we look, but how we feel and how we interact with others. But sometimes it takes a little push to start a new habit, even if it is one that can significantly improve your life. So we are here to inspire you, handhold you, be with you on your yoga journey. So we, Kushbinder and I, Tejasvi, invite you to be part of this 30-day yoga journey, which would include everyday 30-minute feel-good yoga flows, plus few special get-togethers where we would interact, learn mantras, health tips, and meditate together. So this challenge would give you time to pamper yourself, strengthen and tone the muscles, and help you let go of stress, anxiety, fear, anything that no longer serves us. And everyone is invited. Even if you do not have a prior yoga experience, it's completely fine. So just roll out the mat, and every day in the morning 6 a.m. IST, the video will be out. So you can do it as per your convenience at your home. In case of any doubts or you want to let us know how you felt during the practice, please do mention in the comments below, or you can also direct message us, or even better, you can join our WhatsApp group where we will help each other to progress on this path. And the link to sign up is there below. Invite all your friends and family, and let's start this year with a yoga party. So see you all on the mat. Namaste.